Hello everyone, Evelyn here. Today I'm going to talk about MEV bots or maximal extractable value bots. All of you must have heard how Jared from Subway's MEV bot made millions and still printing more Ethereum. Over $700 million were extracted by these MEV bots over the past year. If you type MEV bot on YouTube, you are presented with many similar MEV bot videos. All of these videos are similar and are fake. You are being sold an instruction in which you have to manually deploy a smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain via Remix and put your Ethereum into that contract. After that, your money disappears and gets sent to the scammer's wallet address. There will never be any free public MEV bots for ordinary traders. Because this is a very profitable area of the crypto market and crypto professionals do not want to create competition for themselves. So where does the profit come from? When some big crypto trader tries to buy a crypto token on a decentralized exchange in decent amount, there is an opportunity for the MEV bot. The crypto trader pays a standard fee while making the transaction, and this transaction goes to the blockchain mempool. The bot scans the mempool and finds this transaction and buys the same token using a higher gas fee. Due to the higher gas fee, the MEV bot's transaction executes before the big trader's transaction. As soon as the big trader's transaction goes through, the price of the token in the liquidity pool goes up, and the MEV bot immediately sells the token it bought. Literally, within a minute, it makes a profit of 2 to 20%. This is called sandwich transaction, in which the victim's transaction is sandwiched by the MEV bot, thus making profit. Clearly, such large trades don't happen every minute, but within 2 to 3 hours, a successful sandwich transaction goes through. MEV bot has an advantage over human trader in the analysis of a huge array of data and execution speed. Let me introduce you to an open-source MEV platform made by Web3 pioneers. The link to the website is provided in the description. You can check the documentation for a better understanding of how the bot works. Click on Launch Bot. The bot works on 3 EVM chains, Ethereum, Arbitrage, and Binance. Click on Start. If it is your first time using the bot, you will need to create an account. Click on You don't have an account. Fill in the details and register an account. You will get a new wallet when you register a fresh account. Be sure to back up that 12-digit mnemonic phrase. You can recover your account on any wallet service using that 12-digit phrase. You can choose your preferred chain by clicking on Network. You can also import your old wallet by using your private key or mnemonic phrase. I will import an old wallet with an existing balance. I will run my bot with 2 BNB, so I will withdraw the rest of my balance to another account. You can keep track of all the transactions in the History section of the bot. You can manage your basic bot settings in the Start Bot section. You can also manage your withdrawal settings here. After everything is sorted out, you can start the bot by clicking on Start Bot. I have also deposited 2 Ether each on Ethereum and Arbitrage chains. I will run the bot in those 2 chains too. The bot work cycle by default is 24 hours. Your bot will run for 24 hours, and the capital and profit will be reflected in your wallet in 24 hours. We are back after 24 hours. Let us see how the bot performed. We can see that the BNB bot made around $145, which is not bad keeping in mind the invested amount. Let's check the other chains. I made a profit of $809 on Ethereum And on the Arbitrum chain, I made a profit of $1,119, which is awesome. Let's now calculate the percentage gain on each chain. All the chains gave us an average gain of over 10%, and Arbitrum gave us the highest gain of over 14%. You can buy a license if you want higher gains and more accessibility to the advanced features of the bot. And also don't forget to mention your gains in the comments section and your experience with the bot.